Thank you everybody for tuning in to BZB TV. You are watching The Hive with myself, Joel, and Flo here. It is essential to lather on that sunscreen with the sun out and about these days, as well as subscribe to BZB TV.
That's right.
You do not want to miss out on the latest AV tech trends and products from our partners.
We've got a fresh product for all of you today. We'll be taking a closer glance at a power amplifier designed for meeting, conference, training rooms, classrooms, and any low or high impedance application. So without further ado, let's unbox the unit.
The Atlona AT-GAIN-120 is an energy-efficient Class D amplifier. It is convection-cooled to be used in conference rooms and quiet installation environments without the need for fans. We're not talking about those fans. The GAIN-120 has a mode selector switch that allows the unit to have 2 channels of 60 watts each of 4 or 8 or a single channel of 120 watts at 70 or 100 volts. Also, a line level audio output allows incoming audio to be fed into an additional amp or audio system. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front and back panels. Starting with the front, we'll go over all the indicators. We have a power indicator on the front, tell you if it's on. Right next to it, we have signal, analog in, device ID, and net audio. Now these will all illuminate green when something is detected and on. On the other side, we have our volume level. And lastly, we have a firmware port where you can connect the USB to mini USB from a computer and update your firmware. Turning the unit around, let's take a look at the back panel now. Let's start off with the LAN port where you could connect to your network. We have our analog in and line out. The line out will allow you to connect to an audio DSP or audio mixer. Above that, we have our factory reset and IP reset, then our trigger port. Then we have our input gain. This will allow you to adjust the input gain level for the left and right channel. Next to that, we have our speaker power modes. Like we mentioned earlier, you can select between 4 ohms, 8 ohms, or 70 volts and 100 volts. Below that is where you would connect said speakers. Lastly, we have a port for your power supply. The GAIN-120 is controllable via TCP, IP, or external trigger, which you would use the trigger port here in the back. The unit can also be configured using Atlona's AT-GAIN-NET network audio card, featuring an AES-67 and Dante dual-channel audio bridge. We'll link the product page below for that network audio card. This unit can receive audio from an AV switcher or DSP, digital signal processor, and then feed that audio to program speakers on the front wall or a distribution of ceiling speakers. It can also be integrated into a centralized audio distribution system for paging and background music, as well as audio content targeted for specific zones, making it great for facility audio systems, meeting, training, conference, and classrooms. Now I want to thank Atlona for sending us an amped up amplifier. Thank you guys for being amped up and joining our program today. Show us your support, give us a big thumbs up and like this video. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, BZB TV. We will be bringing a lot more buzzworthy episodes in the near future. My name is Joel, signing off from The Hive. Hope to catch you guys on the next one.